To reactivate a child account in GoHenry, follow these simple steps. First, log into your GoHenry parent account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section where you can view and manage all associated child accounts. Next, locate the child account you want to reactivate and click on it to access the account details page. On this page, look for the status of the account, which should indicate that it is currently inactive. Click on the Reactivate button or link to initiate the reactivation process. You will then be prompted to review and agree to the GoHenry terms and conditions, as well as confirm that you want to reactivate the account. Carefully review the information and check the box to agree to the terms. Then confirm your decision to reactivate the account. After confirming, the child account will be reactivated, and the child will once again be able to use their GoHenry account to make purchases, receive money, and track their spending. It is essential to note that reactivating a child account will restore all previous settings and preferences, so ensure you review and update these as necessary to reflect any changes. As a best practice, take this opportunity to review the account settings, spending limits, and other preferences to ensure they are still suitable for the child. You can also use this chance to discuss responsible money management and spending habits with the child, helping them understand the importance of budgeting and saving. By following these steps, you can easily reactivate a child account in GoHenry and help the child get back to managing their finances effectively. Remember to always monitor and guide the child in using their account responsibly. And do not hesitate to reach out to GoHenry support if you encounter any issues during the reactivation process.